Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys miss me and I miss you guys too. Anyway, I decided to do a vlog today because it has been a while since I haven't posted a video because I've been super busy. But I'm on my way to work and I'm just gonna give you guys a little video.
In this life that I live, I'm perfect in all I do. I'm aligned, yeah, to His word. I am complete in Him.
So this is what I'm dealing with today. You see the snow? The bus is coming. I have to catch this bus, man. Beautiful day. So I'm just here at the bus stop waiting for the bus to come. I'm not sure why it's not here already, because normally at this time the bus would normally be here already. But so yeah, I think yesterday it was snowing and the snow is still here, but I want to show you guys something. So you see this snow, right? This nice pretty white snow looking all innocent, right? I want to show you guys something. If I have to step, well, I'm wearing my boots, so it's pretty high. Look at this. If you step in the snow, it almost covers your feet, so you have to make sure that you wear boots. Look, this is where my foot is, in the snow. See, so all the people that want to come to Canada just know that you have to deal with all of this. You see? Yeah, that's what I want to show you. Oh, my bus is here. Look. So guys, I'm in the bus now. I won't be recording a lot of things in the bus because I'm pretty sure that it's very noisy in here, and I just want to relax and listen to my music, to be honest. So yeah, when I come out of this bus, then I will check you guys back. All right, so I'll see you. All right, so check you guys back. Peace.
Bling on the track.
I love you, I love you, I love you. Yeah. Lord, there's no one above you. Yeah. Faithful through every struggle. Yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you. Yeah, yeah. Guide me, look, guide me. To your heart, look, guide me. Worthy, I'm not worthy. Still your love, it surrounds me. Renew a right spirit within me. I pray that you heal me. So guide me, look, guide me. To your heart, look, guide me. I'm in love with your presence, oh yeah. Fill me up till I overflow, yeah. Less of me, Father, more of you, yeah. Oh Lord, there's nothing that you can't do, yeah. Give me a heart to serve faithfully. Lord, I pray that they see you in me. Yeah. Here I am broken gracefully. Yeah. And on my whole, Lord, have your way in me. Yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you. Yeah. Lord, there's no one above you. Yeah. Faithful through every struggle. Yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you. Yeah, yeah. Guide me, look, guide me. To your heart, look, guide me. Worthy, I'm not worthy. Still love, it surrounds me. Renew with rise,
Alright guys, so I just came out of the first bus and I'm standing at the bus stop now waiting for the other bus. Hopefully it comes soon because I'm cold. So yeah, this is my regular day. I hope the noise is not too noisy though. So yeah, this is my regular day. This is what I do every day.
through every struggle. Yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you. Yeah, yeah. Guide me, look at me. To your heart, look at me. Worthy, I'm not worthy. Still love, it surrounds me. Renew a bright spirit within me. I pray that you heal me. So guide me, look at me. To your heart, look at me. Power in the name of Jesus. Healing in the name of Jesus. So there's power in the name.
Alright guys, so I am at work now. I just came out the bus right here. And it's very cold today, so I couldn't do a lot of recording because my hands were literally freezing. So I have to wear a glove. So I forgot my glove, right? I forgot my glove. That's the thing with cold weather, like your nose always, your nose is always running. So I forgot my glove. So I'm wearing one glove on one hand holding the camera, and then the other hand is in my pocket, safely tucked away. So yeah, I wasn't able to record a lot today because it's very cold and my hands are freezing. So anyway, I'm at work now. So I just want to get inside, and I don't know, maybe one day I'll record the whole process, but this is just me getting to work and reaching out to you guys, because I know a lot of you text me on Instagram and ask me, hey Nioka, what's up? I haven't heard anything from you, blah blah blah. So you know, I just feel like it's right for me to just do this quick video, you know. So I'm at work now. I'm gonna get inside and change, and then I might do another vlog because this is pretty nice, and at least you guys can see what I'm up to. And no, I have not abandoned you guys, never. I will never do that, you know. It's just that time I just have a little time, that's it, because I've been so busy with work, with church, with a lot of things. I just started my business, so I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about that. So it has been my plate has been full, to be honest. Anyway, so I'm gonna get inside now, and I'll take you guys back. I think I'll do another vlog another day and tell you about my whole day at work. Good morning. Good morning. So this is my workplace. videos. All right, so just stay tuned for that. I have those videos to come. Anyway, so I have to start working now, so I'm gonna leave you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Bye bye.
Help me walk in my purpose, and Jesus where my strength is.